Hey there, calling all doodlers, painters, and anyone with a creative spark. I am one of the jurors for the super exciting upcoming DOMS art contest, and let me tell you, it's going to be a blast. This contest is all about celebrating your creativity, whether you love bringing characters to life with your drawings or splashing vibrant colors on a paper. This is your chance to shine. Here we are looking for pieces that make us say, wow, something unique, something that shows your personality and makes you say, this is me. So don't be afraid to experiment. Maybe you will try a new technique, explore a different theme, or even use materials you have never touched before. That's the beauty of art. It's all about having fun and expressing yourself. Remember, even the most famous artists started somewhere. This contest is a chance to learn, grow, and maybe even win some awesome prizes. So grab your pencils, paints, or whatever fuels your creativity and get started. We can't wait to see what amazing pieces you come up with. Trust me, you have got something special to share with the world. Let's make some positive art together. My name is Salian, an artist, animator, and mentor. You can type Jai Salian into a Google search about me and my work. I am working at AM Naik School, Powai, Mumbai. Remember, each and every child is an artist. If you start giving importance to your work, other will also give importance to it. All the best.